Second game. Team RGG versus Team Datuon. game of the evening, Team RDG versus Team Datuon. Yung isang defending champion mo, Team RDG. Second game. RGG jersey number white. Team jersey na naka-orange, Team Datuon. For Team Datuon, na Peñas, Cabarles, Catalan, Feliciano, Roya, jersey number 77. Para naman sa Team RDG, Calios, Bertuccio, Moises, Lopinco, sino pang isaman para sa Team RDG. Gawad. Shout out kay Gawad Bertuccio. Starts the ball game. Up, re-jump. Re-jump. Moises. Moises. Good. Rebound for the Team Datuon. Roya, jersey number 77. Cabarles to Napeñas. Back to Napeñas. Fires a 3. Bang! Nothing but net. First points for the evening. Ralios. Intercept. Napeñas against jersey number 19. Napeñas jumper. Short. There's a whistle. Oh, by jersey number 14. Yun. Loose ball foul. Okay, back to the ball game. Here comes the Team RDG. Yellow, Bertuccio. Fakes. Bertuccio fires a 3. No good. Cabarles. Oh, stolen. Moises, 2 points. First points for Team RDG. Cabarles, jersey number 104. Cabarles, floater, no good. Rebound for the Team RDG. Moises. Bertuccio. No good. Oh, what a defense for Team Datuon. Cabarles. Iniwan kay Pelicano. Oh, what a high rebound for Team RDG. Moises against Roya. Basket. 4 points already for Moises. Cabarles. Back to Cabarles. Over move. Roya. Kick out pass to Napeñas. Shot clock 2. Rayo jumper. No good. Same ball possession. Last touch by Team RDG. Cabarles fires a 3. Bang! Nothing but net. For 3, babawi ba? Ayaw. Cabarles. Back to Cabarles. Cabarles fakes. Cabarles attacking the basket. Iniwan sa ilalim. What a big back by Lopenko. Para defense for Team RDG. Cabarles. There's a foul. Foul with jersey number 44. Cabarles fakes. Pass to Pelicano. Jumper. Good. Offensive rebound. Cabarles. Bertuccio. Jersey number 25. Fakes. 2 points. Bertuccio. Cabarles. Labot na rip. Napeñas. Oh, left-handed layup. 2 points. What a move. Dinamita ng kaliwa. Jersey number 19. Pastoralios. Back to Lupenko. Bertuccio sa ilalim. What a pass to Moises. 2 points. Bertuccio to Moises. Another assist. Cabarles. Goes over. Pass to Napeñas. No good for Team Datuon. Moises for the rebound. Lopinco, jersey number 19. Against Napeñas. Moises, mid-range shot. 2 points. Team RDG up by 2. Cabarles. Will set the play. Bigyan ng pick ni Rayo. Napeñas sa ilalim, pinasa. Back to Cabarles. Fires a 3. Bang! Nakakadalawang 3-point shot na si Cabarles. Bertuccio. Layup. 2 points. Simple basketball para kay Bertuccio. Cabarles. Cabarles. Cabarles jumper. Oh, good. High rebound for Moises. Ralios. To Bertuccio. Lopinco. Fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound for Team RDG. Ralios. 2 points. Cabarles, jersey 104. Napeñas. Step back. Oh, stolen. What a tap by Bertuccio. Jersey 11. Nakapasabit pa. Foul by jersey number 77. Jersey number 11 will take 2 free throws. Basket. Second free throw. Complete. 2 for 2. Here comes the team that 2 on. Cabarles fires a 3. No good. Last touch by Moises.
Shot clock for Suns. And shot clock. 5.
Oh, offensive rebound. Rayo, 2 points. Cabarles, extra pass to Napeñas. 2v2, 2-on-2. Cabarles, 2 points. Ralios against Napeñas. There's a foul. 103. Bertuccio fires a 3. Short. Offensive rebound. No whistle. Team the 2 on ball. Last touch by Team RGC. Napeñas. Jersey 103. Pasto Cabarles. To Felicano. Jumper. No good. Ralios for the rebound. Here comes the Team RDG. Layup. 2 points for Ralios. Cabarles crossover move. Jumper. 2 points. What a nice shot for Cabarles. Lopinko, extra pass to Ralios. Nabubulol na ako. Moises to Ralios. Cabarles fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Jersey number 16, 2 points. Timeout. Timeout for Team RDG. Ralios to Bertuccio, reverse layup, 2 points. Simple basketball again for Bertuccio. 4 points already for Bertuccio. Cabarles, extra pass to jersey number 16. Oh, good. Jersey number 11, Pastoralios. Extra pass to Bertuccio. 2 points, Bertuccio. 6 points already. Here comes the team that 2 on. Cabarles goes over move. Na Peñas. Oh, there's a foul. There's a whistle. Foul by jersey number 44. Ralios.
is second. 1 fouls.
Cabarles to na Peñas.
Third shot
Against jersey number 11. Rayo. Floater, no good. Sky high for the rebound for Moises. Lopinco, forward pass to Bertuccio against Cabarles. Extra pass. 2 points. What a nice feed by Bertuccio to jersey number 11. Cabarles. Being pick ni Rayo. Pass to na Peñas. Sa ilalim, pinasa. Uy, sayang. Hindi na kompleto. Magandang pasa sana yun. Lopinco, jersey number 19. Lopinco. Jumper, jersey number 11. 2 points. That's the end of the first quarter. 28-19 favor for Team RDG, the defending champions.
Mera bulas.
Start for the second quarter. Remart, jersey number 99. Renmark. Pass to Sueño, jersey 105. Renmark. Post. Padua, jersey 102, fires a 3. Short. Iwan for the team RDG. Zion, 1/4. Fakes. Jersey number 2, extra pass to Sumagaysay, 2 points. Padua. Sueño. Good. Remark for the offensive rebound. Jumper. Short. Gasataya for the rebound. Oh, stolen by Sueño. Sueño against Sumagaysay. There's a wow. By Sumagaysay. Jersey number 42. Jersey number 31. Jersey number 105, Sueño. Will take 2 free throws. That's one short. Second free throw for Sueño. Both missed free throw. Offensive rebound. Bounce pass. No good. Sayang, di na kompleto. Militante for the rebound. Militante, jersey number 16. Extra pass to 1/4. Gasataya, fires a 3. No good. Here comes the team, the 2-on. Remark, open for 3. No good. Militante. Pass to Gasataya. Pass to jersey number 2. Zion, 1/4. Pass to Gasataya. Fires a 3. No good. Ramirez against 1/4. What a nice defense. Offensive rebound to V2. Ramos. Wala. Rebound by 1/4. Oh, stolen by Renmark. Layup. There's a foul. Foul by jersey number 42. Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. That's the second free throw. Renmark will take 2 free throws. Remark, first free throw attempt, no good. Second free throw for Remark. Both missed free throw. Offensive rebound for team Datu. Remark, pass to Ramirez. Layup. Iba na talaga pag matangkad ka, di maabot ang bola. Turnovers for Team RDG. Sueño. Back Sueño against Militante. Sueño, no good. Rebound by Militante. Oh, sayang. Asa sa kalaban. Sueño. Your pass. Turnovers. Sumagaysay, backdoor play to Militante. Sayang, hindi na kompleto. Remark. Ramirez against Tolero. No good. Tolero, bounce pass to Militante. 2 points. Padua. Pass to jersey number 31. Kick out pass. Back to Padua. Sueño. Oh, sayang. Sayang. 1-4. Extra pass. Oh, intercept by Ramirez. Here comes the team Datuon. Pass to Remart. No good. Militante for the rebound. Pass to 1-4. Sion. Fake. Sion. Reverse layup. Open jumper. 2 points for team Datuon. Militante. Iniwan kay Tolero. Push 1-4. Pass to Gasataya. Jersey number 77 for 3. Good. Stolen. Ligo. Hasta Sumagaysay. Militante. There's a fan. Foul by Sueño. Jersey 102. Pushing foul.
Foul jersey 105. Sueño is first foul.
Oh, Militante. Knockout play. Militante, 2 shots. Second free throw. Here comes the team Datuon. Oh, good. Nice defense for 1 point. Tolero. Pass to Gasataya. Fires a 3. In and out. Opens the rebound. Toledo. 2 points. Jersey number 31 against Militante. Sueño. Fires a 3, no good. Opens a rebound by Ramirez. Nice defense for Militante. Opens a rebound. Jersey number 31, bang shot. Wala. Rebound by Militante. Here comes the team RDJ. Tolero. Post over move. Iniwan kay Militante.
2 points.
Power move by Militante. Sueño, 105. Pass to 102. Pass to jersey number 31. There's a foul. Foul by jersey number 16, Militante. He gets the first personal foul. Binguan, jersey number 31. Sueño. Pass to Binguan. Fires a 3. Short. Militante. Forward pass to Sumagaysay. Easy 2 points for Sumagaysay. Here comes the team Datuon. Ramirez. No good. Sion. Pass to Gasataya. Fires a 3. No good.
Possession. The ball. 3 minutes and 8 seconds.
Binguan. Padua fires a 3. Offensive rebound, Ramirez. Good. Tolero for the rebound. Militante. Gasataya. Pass to Militante. Kick out pass to Gasataya. Turnovers. Team the 2. Sueño. Kick out pass to jersey 107. Ramirez. Doors up now. One-fourth. Sumagaysay. Pass sa ilalim. Militante. Kick out pass to Gasataya. Fires a 3. Ayaw pa rin. Padua. Against Sion. Extra pass to Binguan. 2-1. Gasataya. Jersey number 77. Pass to Militante. Oh, stolen by Binguan. Sumagaysay! What a move by Sumagaysay! Pang Highlands yun. Padua against Tolerio. Sueño. Back to Padua. Running jumper. Good. Offensive rebound for team the 2-on. 2 points. Sarmiento for the 2 points. Sion. Pastuero. Back to Sion. Stolen. Here comes the team the 2-on. Padua. Extra pass to Binguan. Reverse layup. 2 points. Back-to-back points for Binguan. For the team the 2-on. Militante. Post over move. Pass to Sion. Militante. Turn around. Good. Here comes the 2-on. Ramirez. Good. Sarmiento. Pass to Padua. 2 versus 1. Four seconds remaining time. That's the end of the second quarter. Cacho, jersey number 8. Jersey number 23, Rosero. Rosero. Attacking the basket. Now good. Fernandez. Offensive rebound. Toyo jumper. Good. Tolitz for the rebound. Rosero. What a pass. Galasio for the 2 points. Pontega Jr., jersey number 4. Pontega fakes. What a defense by Rosero. Garcia fires a 3. Air ball. Always a rebound for Team Datuon. Tuyo. Jersey number 42. Jumper. Good. Tolitz. There's a foul.
Foul jersey number 4. His first personal.
Rosero, jersey number 23. Pass to Cacho. Fernandez, jersey number 13. Jumper, 2 points. Rosero. Pass to Fernandez. Teardrop. Air ball. Here comes the Team Datuon. Jersey number 42. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 13 shot clock. 13 on the shot clock. Garcia. Pontega, floater, short. Pontega again. Here comes the Team RDG. Fernandez, Toros. Fernandez. Young. Pontega for the rebound. Garcia. Extra pass. Jersey number 42. Good. Hindi nagkaabuyan ang dalawang naka-white shirt. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 42, jumper, 2 points with a bank shot.
2 points.
Rosero. Fires a 3. No good. Sky high for the rebound. Tulis, 2 points. Garcia, jersey 100. Pass to Pontega. Tuyo, sideline, 2 points. Nating batnet yung tira ni Tuyo. Rosero. Back to Rosero. Pass to Cacho. Back to Rosero. Stolen. Here comes the Team Datuon. Tuyo. With jersey number 42. Datuon. 2 points. Rosero. Rosero. Tap the basket. There's a foul. Foul by jersey number 106. Galasio will take 2 free throws. Galasio at the line. First one's no good. Second free throw for Galacio. 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. Jersey 100. Garcia. Contega. The 2-on jumper. What a bank shot by the 2-on. Time out. Okay, back to the ball game. Score 49-37. Favor for Team RDG. Procero. Tolitz, jersey number 6. Ball fake. Oy, nakapasabit pa si Tolitz. 2 shots for Tulitz. First free throw for Tulitz. Nothing but net. Basket for Tulitz. RDG, Team RDG, up by 13. 2 for 2. The 2-on against Tulitz. Garcia. What a move by Garcia. Nice looking good for Garcia. Fernandez stolen by Tuyo. Here comes the team, the 2-on. Tuyo, extra pass. 2 points for jersey number 106. Team the 2 down by 10. Cacho. Pass to Tulitz, jersey number 6. Galacio spin. Iniwan kay Fernandez. 2 points. Here comes the team the 2-on. Same ball possession. Last touch by Team RDG. Contega. Garcia. 10 shot lang. Toyo. Cross pass to the 2-on. Extra pass. Garcia. Contega. No good. Out of bounds. Procero. Fernandez. Against the 2 defender. Oh, stolen by the 2-on against Galacio. 2 points for the 2-on. Tulitz, no good. Here comes the 2-on. Tuyo, iniwan. Oh, stolen. Fernandez against the 2-on. Procero. Tulitz against jersey number 106. There's a foul. The Busing sa babaw ah.
Pwede mo sa kanos ha?
Oo, pwede. Pero timing may ano ko, may tape. Ano kaya ang hatol ng tatlong referee dito? Regular foul lang ba? Or anong hatol ng tatlong referee? Regular foul lang? Cacho. Oh, stolen. Oh. Last touch by Team RDG. While the defense for the 2-1. The 2-on jumper, 2-point. Dami ng puntos ni the 2-on. Rosero to Cacho. Pass to Fernandez against Tuyo. There's a foul. Foul by jersey 167, Tuyo. He gets the first personal foul. Jersey number 13, Fernandez, will take 2 free throws. Oh, first one's no good. Second free throw. Second free throw for Fernandez to extend the lead. Oh, both misses free throw. Opens a rebound. Tulits. 2 points. Team RDG up by 10. Pontega, jersey number 4. Pasto Garcia against Tulits. Pasa sa ilalim. No good. Opens a rebound by Tuyo. 2 points. The 2-on. Team the 2-on down by 8. Rosero, jersey number 23. Set the play. Pass to Galicia for 3. Bang! Pontega. Open floater. No good. Sky high for the rebound for jersey number 9. Here comes the team RDJ. Galacio. Pass to Rosero. Sideline drain. No good. Bumalik sa kanyang bola. Cacho. Oh, steal from behind. Magbanwa. 2 points. Oh, stolen again. The 2-on. Bang shot. Team the 2-on. Down by 7. Ito na lang ang hinahabol. Tolitz, jersey number 6. One and all pass. Nagawa ng bola. Recovers by Fernandez. There's a foul. Fernandez will take 2 free throws. First free throw for Fernandez. Fernandez, no good. Second attempt for Fernandez. 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. Here comes the team, the 2-on. Garcia. Pontega. Pass to Tuyo. Pasahan ng bola. Tuyo to Magbanwa. Kick out pass to the 2-on. Jumper. No good. Magbanwa for the rebound. Pass to Galicia. Zero. Fernandez. Against Pontega. Spin move. Against the 3 defender. Traveling by Remaining time, 53 seconds for the third quarter. Garcia. What a pass to Tuyo. Alley-oop play. Rebound by Fernandez. Tulets. Against Garcia. Reverse layup. No good. The 2-on for the Sky High rebound. Here comes the team, the 2-on. Bounce pass to Tuyo. There's a foul. Foul by Galasio. Tuyo will take 2 free throws. First one is good for Tuyo. Second free throw for Tuyo. 2 for 2. Team the 2-on down by 6. Tolitz. Here comes the team or DJ. Bounce pass to Cacho. No good. Fernandez. Offensive rebound. Fernandez. No good. Tolitz against the 2 defender. 2 points. Here's a foul. Point 4. 3 shots for Garcia. Na-foul si Garcia sa 3-point line. Short. Second free throw for Garcia. Ayaw pa rin. Last one free throw. 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. That's the end of the third quarter. Score 61-54. Favor for Team RDG. Cabarles. The 2-on. Jumper. Militante for the rebound. Pingo. Pass to Tolero. Morales. Offensive rebound. Bertuccio. Jumper. 2 points for Bertuccio. Cabarles. Extra pass to the 2-on. Cabarles fires a 3. Good. Rebound by Tolero. Lopinco. Layup. 2 points. What a move by Cabarles. Pass to the 2-on. Pass to Ramirez. Against Ralios. The 2-on. Floater. Wala. Offensive rebound para sa team. The 2-on. Delicano. Militante for the rebound. Tolero against Cabarles. 2 points. Team Datuon. Na Peñas. Pass to Tuyo. Pass to Na Peñas. Backdoor play. Turnovers for the team Datuon. Lopinco. Pass to Militante. 2 points. What a move by Militante. Na Peñas fires a 3. No good. Rebound Militante. Here comes the team RDG. Lopenco, jersey number 19. To Militante. Ralios, kick out pass to Lopinco. Bertuccio, pass to Militante. What a nice ball movement. Naulol na naman ako. Nagbubulol. Tolero, extra pass to Lopinco. Foul. There's a foul by Ralios. Ralios gets the third personal foul. Here comes the team Datuon. Garcia. Peñas to Tuyo. Tuyo, 2 points. Tuyo against Bertuccio. Lopinco, jersey number 19. Bertuccio. Oh, stolen by Na Peñas. What a move by Garcia. 2 points. Bertuccio, extra pass. Militante to Tolero. 2 points. What a ball movement again for Team RDG. Oh, Alio play. Sayang. Tolero, extra pass to Ralios. What a tap by Na Peñas. Tuyo. Tuyo, 2 points. Ankle breaker para kay Tuyo. Lopinco. Militante. Garcia. Oy, sayang. Substitution. Bertuccio. Pass to Lopinco. To Bertuccio. Kick out pass. Galicia. Good. Galicia. Toliro, jersey number 2. Got pass to Lopinko, jersey number 19. Backdoor play. Sayang, intercept. Here comes it in the 2-on. Peñas, left-handed layup. 2 points. Lopinko. Toliro. Bertuccio against Ramirez. Spin move. Foul basket. Bonus free throw for Bertuccio. What a nice move by Bertuccio. Bonus free throw for Bertuccio. Jersey number 25. Ang Boris Diaw ng Team RDG. Offensive rebound for Fernandez. 2 points. What a teardrop by Fernandez. Na Peñas, jersey number 103. Pass to 102. Cross pass to Garcia. Fires a 3. Sky high for the rebound by Bertuccio. Toliro against Garcia. 2 points. Team RDG up by 15. Garcia, jersey number 100. Right, turnovers. Score 77-62. Lopinko, jersey number 19. Pass to Gales. Jersey 9. Bertuccio. To Lopinko. Bertuccio, sideline J, 2 points. The Boris Diaw. Garcia, extra pass to Contega, 2 points. What a pass by Garcia to Contega. Lopinko, pass to Galacio, jersey number 9. Toliro, Lopinko, Bertuccio, Galacio. What a ball movement, but na-intercept ni Ramirez. Ramirez against Lopinko. What a defense by Lopinko. Bertuccio. Pass to Galacio. 2 points. Bertuccio to Galacio. The 2-on. 1 against 3. No good. Nag-iisa si the 2-on. Here comes the Team RDG. Galacio open for 3. No good. Fernandez. 2 points. Down. The 2-on against Bertuccio. The 2-on. 2 points. Lopinko. Pass to Galacio. Bertuccio. Same foot. Traveling violation. Garcia, pass to the 2-on. Jumper, 2 points. What a move by the 2-on. Militante against Tuyo. 1-4, jumper, no good. Offensive rebound. Militante, Gasataya fires a 3. Bang! A shot by Gasataya. The 2-on, jersey number 42 against Militante. 2 points. What a move by the 2-on against Militante. Cacho. Pass to Militante. Gasataya again. Fires a 3. Air ball. Contega, jersey number 1, number 4. Garcia layup. No good. Jersey number 8, Cacho. Pass to Gasataya. Fires a 3. No good. Boost 1 for 2 points. Garcia, crossover move, sidestepping move, 2 points. Gasataya, jersey number 77, against Ramirez, fires a 3, no good. What a long shot. Datuon against Cacho, teardrop, no good. Gasataya, jersey number 77, pass to Boss 1 for 2-in-1, Rosero. Ayaw pa rin. Garcia fires a 3. No good. Datuon, bank shot, 2 points. Gasataya. Militante. Boss 1-4 against Ramirez. Kick out pass to Gasataya. Fires a 3. No good. Tuyo for the rebound. Garcia. Open for 3. No good. Militante. Open na ni Garcia. Layup. Good. Tega. That's the end of the ball game. Congratulations to Team RTG. 88. Team Datuon 74. Good game, guys.